Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. Have you ever wondered what makes things move? The answer is energy. Now today we're going to talk about two different kinds of energy, potential energy and kinetic energy. And we're going to do that by making a spool racer. So what you're going to need is a spool, a pencil, a toothpick, a rubber band, and two different sizes of washers and a little bit of tape. Now a spool is what's normally used for thread and sewing. Today I have an empty spool. If you have an empty spool, that would be the best. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your rubber band and you're gonna kind of make it long ways like that. And you're gonna put your toothpick across the middle, just like that. Now, you're going to make a knot in this by pulling the bottom part of this rubber band through the top part and pull it through, okay? So the bottom part is gonna go through the top loop. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, and pull it tight. Now I'm gonna squish those ends together and pull it really tight so I have a nice knot there, okay? Push these ends together to make a nice knot. You want it pretty tight, okay? Then I'm gonna take my spool and I'm gonna stick my toothpick through the middle of the spool, but I don't want the rubber band to go all the way through. So I'm gonna kind of put my finger there and I'm gonna push that toothpick through until it comes all the way out the other side and cross it like that. Now I'm gonna take my washers. I'm gonna take my big washer and put the rubber band through the hole like that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the small washer. Put the rubber band through the middle like that, okay? Now I don't want this rubber band to fall out, so I'm gonna put my pencil right there to hold it in. All right, now I'm gonna flip it over. Now, with this toothpick, I want the toothpick to be approximately the same size as the spool. So I'm just going to break off the ends like that. Okay, so it's approximately the same size. Then I'm gonna use just a tiny little piece of tape, and I'm gonna tape the middle of that toothpick down, just like that. All right, everyone, we have our spool racer. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start turning the pencil like this, okay? Now, this is potential energy. It's storing energy up for later use, okay? So as I turn it, it's storing up energy called potential energy. Then when I've spun it enough, I'm gonna let go of it, and that energy is gonna convert into the energy of movement, which is called kinetic energy. All right, are you ready for this? Whoa! If you'd like to do more fun activities, you should check out our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.